The smartphone market is about to face one of its biggest disruptions in years, and surprisingly, it's not coming from Android. All signs now point to Apple preparing a major shakeup with the upcoming iPhone 17e, a device that could completely redefine what people expect from a budget iPhone. According to multiple supply chain leaks and industry analysts, the iPhone 17e could arrive as early as the first quarter of next year. And if even half of the rumored upgrades turn out to be true, this phone could dominate global sales, especially in the under $600 category. To understand why the 17e matters so much, we need to look at what just happened with the iPhone 16. When it launched, critics called it overpriced and underwhelming. On paper, Android phones seem to offer more. But fast forward to today, and the story has flipped completely. The iPhone 16 became the best-selling smartphone under $600 worldwide, outperforming Samsung, Xiaomi, and every major Android brand. That success proves something critical. Apple finally cracked the formula for a mass-market iPhone. And now, with the iPhone 17e, Apple appears ready to double down. So what's new? First, the notch is finally gone. Leaks suggest the iPhone 17e will get the dynamic island, instantly modernizing the design and bringing it in line with flagship iPhones. Second, slimmer bezels. This gives the phone a more premium look while improving screen immersion, without increasing the overall size. Third, a more compact body. The 17e could become the closest thing to a modern, mini, iPhone, perfect for users who want powerful performance in a comfortable, one-handed form. Fourth, a major selfie camera upgrade. The rumored 18-megapixel center stage front camera would be a huge win for video calls, social media, and creators. And finally, the biggest upgrade of all, the A19 chip. This puts the iPhone 17e miles ahead of typical budget phones, offering long-term performance, better AI features, and years of software support. Even more shocking, the price is expected to stay around $599. If these leaks are accurate, the iPhone 17e isn't just another phone, it's a turning point. One that could pull millions of Android users into Apple's ecosystem for the first time. So what do you think? Would you upgrade to the iPhone 17e, or switch from Android? Let me know in the comments.